Here's my 67 C10 short box fleet side. It's got a original 283 2-speed power glide transmission. Seafoam green, 22-inch transporter wheels. LED tail lights. And they're actual housings, not just a bulb. Small window. Original hubcaps on the 22-inch. Managed to find a 1967 British Columbia original license plate. They only made it for 1 year for 67 for British Columbia, which I thought was kind of wild. Here, I'll show you the motor. Yep, purrs like a kitten. Still has the original ram head headers. Well, I wouldn't call them headers, manifolds. New windshield. I got stainless steel. He's got left and right door mirrors coming with the arms in stainless steel. New seat cover. Got a carpet kit I'm going to throw into it. Body mounts, cab mounts, box mounts, all solid. Rockers and cab corners, a little crunchy, but still cool. It's a good old farm truck. Her name is Olive. Figured I'd make a little video and walk around just to let people see my little short box. I threw in a cedar wood box, or floor, sorry, in the back just to dress it up a little. What else? Oh yeah, I got airbags in the back too. They're on Schrader valves, so that way I can, just dump it off the back. And if I want to ride a little low like it is right now, got the Cali lean on the bum. Gives it that little bit of that look, and I can raise her right up if I want to raise her right up. Rides great with them. I may or may not put an air compressor and a switch in the cab, and a tank, so that I can flick a switch and dump the butt, raise it up, whatever. I just haven't felt the need for it yet. Kind of works good this way, simple, and then I don't get in trouble by the authorities for flicking switches while I'm driving or something silly. Yeah, so this is my truck. Figured I'd make a little vid for you. I sure like it. Thanks.